Hey there, thank you so much for clicking to this video. In this video, we are going to go through how we actually iterate our clients' operations and automations in a continuous way by following a specific process. So what I wanted to do here is I wanted to showcase the evolution of a couple of automations that we did for our clients and showcase how we reason when it comes to improving those automations and what are the two main components when it comes to improving those automations. So the use case that we have over here is getting cold email campaigns and adding those to Airtable. So here we have the first V1 that we created for the client. So in this V1, what we did is just getting the automations from the tool, which in our case was Lead, and then creating the campaigns inside Airtable. And this was working great. It had no bugs and was working great. But what if we wanted to improve that? What if we wanted to iterate on that and add additional functionalities to that? So that's an improvement that is where we came up with the second version, where we added a daily update to the campaigns, so the client could always have a pulse of the situation and check different things. So in this part, what we just focus on is okay, what is an additional features that the client needs when it comes to the automation, and how we can actually add that to the automation itself. Then we iterated again and improved on that by adding a couple of additional things, such as blocking the post and stop campaigns, for example, and triggering an automation to have a look at those, and also creating some specific alerts to some campaigns. For example, if the bounce rate was too high, we stop the campaigns, or if the leads inside the campaigns were too low, we sent an email alerting to create more leads. So this is an example of V3. Here what we did is we also added additional information, and as you can see, this can get complicated, very fast. So in this example, this is just a work in progress that we have, but this does essentially the same thing that this first automation does, but it does that for automation for campaigns that are in the client account and campaigns that are outside the client account but the client still manages. So in this way, the client is able to create a more in-depth reporting, both for clients that they manage in their own account, as well as clients that they manage in another account. So as you can see here, this can evolve almost in an infinite way, depending on the complexity and the possibilities of the client. So the two main areas here and the two main elements that we have are additional features and operational complexity. So when it comes to additional features, those are probably all the examples that I showcase to you. So any things related to are there any edge cases that we need to include? Are there any additional things that we need to add to this module? And this is all about adding new things, and this is all about making the automation more robust and more complete. On the other side, instead, we have something different, which is the operational complexity, or how we can actually simplify the automation. How can we make sure that this requires less operations? For example, we use Make a lot of the time, so we rely on the operations, and we need to make sure that we create automations that are simple to use and are able to let the client scale. So if they get one additional clients, or if they get 10 additional clients, or if they get 100 additional clients, they can use the same automation without incurring any problem from the complexity standpoint. So the operational complexity is all about things that can be actually removed. So how can the automation be simplified? So does this mean, can we remove something that we have, even if it's just an additional module that we have? can we remove that? Can we add all the logic in another module? Can we reduce the number of operations, or what can we remove? So in the end, it's all about this balancing between adding additional features and reducing the operational complexity. And this is a point that I really wanted to stress out, because on one end, it's always great to add new and shiny things to the client, add more and more features, and improve the automation to make them more complete, more robust, and so on. But on the other hand, we also have to think about the complexity of the system, and how we can make sure that the system can handle 10 times the current amount. So yeah, so this is the video that I wanted to make. A very quick video, just a little bit of a thought process on our way of working, our way of handling this. If you're looking to develop some automations for your business, please go down. You can check the link, you can book a call, and we can discuss those anytime. Hope this was useful, and have a nice day. Bye bye.